I cannot wait to show you a wonderful technique that almost feels like painting on your knitting. It is so beautiful. To work this technique, you're just gonna need a crochet hook, a darning needle, and some scissors. Before we jump in, I wanted to let you know that we are giving away 10 skeins of our beautiful WOWZA Sugar Fluff Fingering yarn. To enter, just make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment below letting me know which project you are currently working on. Here's how you work this beautiful technique. I've made a swatch showing you what this technique looks like. You can see how you can create these beautiful little contrasting lines in your project. And these were actually applied after the knitting was completed. So simple, and it's basically just a crochet chain embellishment. Go ahead and grab your crochet hook and some yarn, and you're going to insert your crochet hook right below where you want to get started so you don't have a gap. Go ahead and reach behind, grab your yarn, and pull it through. Now you're going to drop your tail, and you want to make sure you're just grabbing your working yarn moving forward. Go ahead and insert your hook into the next little space above, and then grab your working yarn in the back and then pull that through. And you can go ahead and pull it through that loop. Now insert your hook into the next space above, reach behind, grab just the working yarn, pull that up, and you want to give these a nice little tug. You don't want them too tight or too loose. Go ahead and pull that through, and you've created another little chain. And then you'll just continue working your way up. So insert your hook into the next slot up, grab your working yarn from behind, give it a nice little tug, and pull it through. And just continue working for as long as you would like for your pattern. And when you reach your final one, go ahead and pull it through. And you can just pull it all the way through and leave your little tails on the front here if you're working a bunch. That way they're not getting tangled in the back. Once you're ready to weave in your ends, just go ahead and thread that tail onto a darning needle and just pop it back through to the wrong side. And then you're good to go ahead and weave in your tails on the back side of your work. So you can see how you can get these absolutely gorgeous little contrasting stripes in your knitting. Feel free to experiment and go in different directions with your chaining and create all sorts of different designs. Isn't that just a lovely technique? You could apply it to so many different knit or crochet projects to take them up a notch. You can see how beautiful this technique looks in our lovely new shawl called Zucchero by Monica Wesley. She designed a stunningly simple, elegant shawl that's ideal even for adventurous beginners, but she took it up a notch by adding beads and that beautiful crochet chain embellishment. Both techniques are optional when making this design, but I really recommend you try them because they're both quite simple once you give them a whirl, and they really take this project to a whole new level. Plus, if you have never tried beads before, they feel like a million sparkling stars tingling on your skin when you wear your shawl. Have a look at our Misa wrap video for how to apply beads to your knitting if you're unfamiliar with that technique. So throughout this shawl, you're gonna find different sections. There's a beautiful beaded stockinette section, gorgeous beaded diamond section, and a garter stitch border on all four sides. So if you can work a knit stitch and a purl stitch, you can make this shawl. Let me mention the size too. It is wide enough and long enough that it will wrap your body in a sweet, soft embrace, because as you know, when life is rough, make soft things. To download this pattern, head to expressionfiberarts.com. This and most of our new knit and crochet patterns are free for a limited time, so when you enter your email there, you will get notified when our new patterns go live each Friday. While you're there, check out the category for our sugar fluff fingering yarn that we use to make this shawl. It's like fluffy spun sugar in sweet, satisfying shades. I love alliteration. It will make your Zucchero shawl that much sweeter. All the shades in this collection are limited edition, so as I always recommend, please order enough while they're available. We hope you love this pattern and this fun new technique. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts. Have a beautiful week, my friend, and we'll catch up next week with another stunning new pattern. Bye!